Have you ever wondered why orcas are called killer whales? It's a curious name, isn't it? At first glance, one might consider it a misnomer, a term that doesn't seem to fit these majestic creatures of the deep. But the reality, my friends, is far more fascinating than what meets the eye. The name killer whale carries a tale as intriguing as the creature itself, a tale that we're about to delve into. So, stick around to discover the intriguing story behind the name. To understand why orcas are called killer whales, we need to unravel the history behind the name. Now, the term killer whale may seem a tad dramatic, but there's a fascinating story behind it. Our tale begins with seafarers of old. These mariners were keen observers of the marine world, witnessing firsthand the behaviors of the ocean's inhabitants. They noticed a particular species of large black and white dolphins that had a rather unique, and dare I say, deadly dining habit. They saw these creatures engaging in the hunt of large whales, something no other species dared to do. This observation led them to coin the term whale killer, highlighting the orca's bold and predatory nature. But here's the twist in the tale. As the term whale killer traveled through time and across languages, it underwent a fascinating transformation. Somewhere along the line, the phrase was inverted, transforming into the term we're familiar with today, killer whale. This translation flip gave birth to a name that has since inspired both awe and fear in equal measure. Now, it's important to note that this name isn't a reflection of the orca's character or their disposition towards humans. Orcas are not mindless killers. Instead, the term killer whale is a testament to their prowess as hunters. It emphasizes their status at the top of the food chain, their ability to take down prey much larger than themselves, and their strategic hunting techniques that are unparalleled in the marine world. In essence, the name killer whale pays homage to the orca's skill as hunters, a skill that's so impressive it prompted ancient seafarers to coin a term that has withstood the test of time. It's a name that, though initially misunderstood, accurately portrays the orca's unique place in the animal kingdom. So, the term killer whale actually came from a translation flip. Interesting, isn't it? But why did the ancient seafarers call them whale killers in the first place? A question that unlocks the fascinating world of the orca's hunting tactics. Orcas, or killer whales, are the ocean's apex predators. This means they're at the very top of the food chain. No other marine creature preys upon them. Their diet is as vast as the ocean itself, including fish, seals, and even large whales. That's right, these black and white giants can take down creatures several times their size. So how do they do it? Well, orcas have a variety of hunting techniques, each as impressive as the next. Some of these methods are so unique they're not found anywhere else in the animal kingdom. Take the carousel feeding technique, for example, where a group of orcas will herd a school of fish into a tight ball, then take turns rushing through to snatch a mouthful. Or the wave washing method, where orcas create waves to knock seals off ice floes, leaving them in the water and vulnerable. But perhaps their most awe-inspiring technique is how they hunt large whales. A group of orcas will work together in a coordinated attack, taking turns to prevent the whale from surfacing to breathe, while others from the group attack from the sides. This relentless pursuit can last for hours, proving just how patient, persistent, and powerful these predators are. And it's not just about the hunt. Orcas are known to share their catch with the rest of their pod, showing a sense of community and cooperation that is truly admirable. These tactics, combined with their intelligence, strength, and teamwork, make orcas formidable hunters. Their power and prowess in the ocean are unmatched, and their reputation as killer whales is well earned. The ancient seafarers who first spotted these creatures were no doubt awed by their hunting skills. They witnessed the raw power and cunning of these marine predators, a testament to their survival in the harshest of environments. So their unique and effective hunting tactics are indeed part of the reason they are called killer whales. However, the name killer whale might give us a wrong impression about these magnificent creatures. This moniker, while dramatic, can be misleading. In reality, orcas are not the mindless human hunting monsters that some lore and media might have us believe. They are in fact incredibly intelligent creatures that do not pose a significant threat to humans in the wild. Instances of orcas attacking humans are extremely rare, almost non-existent. When they do occur, it's typically in captivity, a situation that is unnatural and stressful for these majestic beings. In their natural habitat, these marine mammals are more interested in their usual diet of seals, fish, and sometimes other whales, than in adding humans to their menu. Orcas are not just powerful hunters, they are also social animals with a complex structure. They live in tight-knit groups called pods, where they communicate, collaborate, and care for each other. Their intelligence is evident in the sophisticated hunting strategies they employ, which are passed down from generation to generation. Moreover, their emotional intelligence is quite remarkable. They have been observed exhibiting behaviors such as mourning, playfulness, and even altruism. These behaviors underscore the fact that orcas, like us, have rich and complex emotional lives. So while they are fearsome hunters, they are not the mindless killers their name might suggest. Instead, they are intelligent, emotional beings leading intricate lives beneath the waves. To wrap things up, let's revisit why orcas are called killer whales. We've journeyed through the fascinating history of the name, originating not from the creature's supposed ferocity, but from a simple linguistic flip of whale killer. This moniker, in its original form, was a testament to the orca's prowess as a hunter, not a proclamation of its villainy. We've delved into the hunting habits of these magnificent beings, their strategic prowess and collaborative efforts that put even the most sophisticated predators to shame. We've seen that their killer status, in reality, speaks to their survival instincts and natural place in the food chain. We've also dispelled the myths and misunderstandings surrounding the name killer whale. It's not about malevolence, but about respect for a creature that embodies the raw, untamed power of the ocean. So the next time you hear killer whale, you'll know exactly why this majestic creature has earned such a fearsome name.
Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video. That's all for Nifty Narrations.